welcome to my shoe world.
Birthdays, Christmases.
Private with the shoes. I don't really do this kind of thing.
No, she's only sharing it with YouTube, so there's only about 400 people that could see it on my channel because it's only a small channel.
Hello everybody and welcome to JT's channel, Creepy Joints. I am an imposter just for today. It's normally stuff like music and download that he talks about and festivals, but he just wanted me to introduce myself. So I'm JT's wife, I'm Sharon, and I do collect Irregular Choice, and he wanted me to come and just show you the shoe room.
Because it's unreal, really, isn't it?
I've been collecting these since about 2002, my first pair, so a long time. I've lost count now. It is well over 350 pairs.
I think you've got enough now, Shaz.
It's well over 350. That was 2 years ago. And I'm at a point now where it's going to be one in and one out because there's no more room. But today I have had a special shoe delivery. Had a couple of pairs delivered last week, which I'll talk to you about on another video. But I've had a pair delivered today from Must Wear Designs website, and they are hot chocolate designs. And if you hang on till the end, I will show you the videos on the shoes on an unboxing video.
Cool.
And I've also got
a special treat towards the end.
Been clearing out lots of clothes to the charity shop to help the rescue animals.
That's right. It's very important.
I do collect dresses and I love a quirky themed outfit, so I've got quite a lot of dresses I've been sorting through. And if you stay tuned at the end, John did actually video me clearing some of my dresses and tidying them all up.
I did.
And then thank you for watching. He's going to show you a video of the shoes.
A quick sweep. There's too many to talk about on this video, but don't forget, we're not trying to flex or show off or all like that. It's a passion that we share, and Sharon's been collecting shoes over 20 odd years. Obviously some shark slider, of course, you know me, I absolutely love Joe. And I've got some pairs like this, which I've worn for many a works, convention, going on stage, that type of thing. That's my little corner.
He's got some pairs.
Hi. And there's
so we're at over 100 bags now, I've lost count. So those are the big tote bags, and then we've got the small clasp bags. Some of these are vintage ones, over 20 years old. There's a few lounge flies escaped in there as well, because I do like a good lounge fly. In that cabinet are all the Disney princesses. I try and keep them all in order. This is a lot of Disney on this shelf, but we could talk about that another time. We've got all the...
I'll tell you what she does. I'll tell you what, she Disney need another pair of shoes. That's what she Disney.
We've got Christmas, Halloween, we've got My Little Pony.
She Disney. Hey, there's a thing on TikTok saying, don't be mad at my wife, she collect this. Well, we've just done it and it's not TikTok, so there you go.
Hi. We just thought we'd do a little unboxing video of something of mine instead of something of John's today. I've had a delivery. It came through. John thought we'd got a box of wine delivered. It's actually not. So I've already took the sellotape off to save a bit of time. I've had a delivery of hot chocolate design shoes from Must Wear Designs. They've got a website. I've ordered from them in the past. I don't have a lot of hot chocolate shoes because I do collect Irregular Choice, but sometimes there are certain ones of this brand that I just can't resist, and these were one of the pairs. I think this is my only 4th pair of hot chocolate designs, and these are called dark chocolate, and they've just been released 2 days ago. So let's open it up. Here we go. So we've got a cute little coffin style box.
Let's have a look at that.
There we go.
Show us right sides. That's cool.
There's a story of them on the back. I think these are called dark chocolate. There are certain ones that they do that are dark chocolate. So the sizings of these will be on the website. So I'm a UK 6, which is a US 8, but in hot chocolate design you have to buy a 38, so you're one size below. So if you're a 5, you buy a 4. As first, so you need to check the website for the sizings. So let's open the box. So it comes off like that, and it says on it, "Embrace your darkness" on the inside.
Cool.
Very cute. I do like to keep the boxes for the shoes.
I could take that box and put some figures in it.
Oh, I bet you could. So this particular pair are called Black Sheep.
Speaking of black sheep, Dexter's here.
They're just really cute. I've got a thing about sheep. I've got quite a lot of Irregular Choice lamb shoes and bags and scarves and stuff. Oh, and this is really exciting because you don't often get these. There's a little rubber. They're normally brown and cream coloured. I've never actually had a pair that's had a rubber. And these are for actually removing stain off the shoes.
That's a good idea. What? You could like a keyring.
So normally, you think you'll take that off to
Yeah,
wear
yeah.
the shoes. They are actually vegan friendly. So if anybody's vegan.
Show 'em as
So
right.
we've got a sheep there.
Yeah,
We've
they're
got the
nice.
little bell. And we've even got a little tail at the back. So
They
I'll
are
get
cute, them.
the other shoe out because I know it's going to be a bit different to the other one. So the other shoe has actually got a pentagram on this one. I've got the same face obviously there. Where the other's got a bell, we've got the little pentagram on there.
Oh, look at pentagram. Catches it in lie. Looks really good.
They're really
Cool.
cute, aren't they? Look at them.
They're nice. They look really comfortable.
They are comfortable. You never have to wear them in. They're just comfy from day one. And the soles are really good as well. Flexible. Got good grips on the bottom. So I don't think you'll be able to use the rubber on the fur though, but it's still nice to have a rubber because they are collectible.
Put them together. Let's have a look.
So, yeah.
They look cute.
I don't know what I'm going to wear them with because my outfits are generally brightly coloured, but I just love them. In fact, anything with faces on, I've got a thing with faces. Is it called something like anamorphic or something like that? It's like faces that look like people. So,
You like that?
And I like that kind of thing. I've also got the Furby koi shoes as well, but that's another story. We'll get the Furbies out another day. But hope you like them. I'm going to try them on later.
So how long have you been collecting hot chocolates? Because I know
Oh,
Regular Choice has been over a decade.
I think hot chocolate I only started about 3 or 4 years ago. They brought out a pair called Raven that were a bit gothic. They were purple and black with a raven skull on the front.
That's cool.
I managed to get them in the sale at about $29.99. And then I bought the Kitschy Friends that matches a dress. But they do come quite collectible because there's a lot of people that collect them and buy them religiously every single drop and release. And some of them are really hard to come by now, but you can get them on Vinted. So Must Wear Designs do a loyalty programme, and I think these were £78.99 and free shipping. And it's great because a lot of people have had these on pre-order and they've not actually got theirs. They're not even in the stockist till Friday of this week, but I'm lucky to get mine today. So I'm over the moon with them. Got to find some outfit to go with them. Possibly not something black, maybe something pink.
You never wear all black, you.
Very rarely. I think I'll have about 5 black items in the wardrobe, but we'll see what we can style them with later on. May go with trousers and a pink top off.
You were like, I might get them, I might not, and I was like, you've got to get them.
They are really cute, aren't they?
They're definitely cute. Yeah, I love them.
Definitely. I think they have gone up in price, but so has everything since Brexit. And I think the prices they were when I got my first pair at £30 have been £60. So
Yeah.
now they've gone up to £78. So they've jumped up a quarter in price at the moment due to ongoing costs and import fees and that. But
Do you see them in shops? She has hot chocolate stuff.
there was a stockist in Rotherham at Yellow Brick Road, but they've stopped stocking them now. But they've got their own website, but I don't know if it's a UK website or not. I'm not that clued up on it. But there are some UK independent stockists, which is Angela Bear Bridlington. She's got a website, and also Rockamilly Boutique in Leigh-on-Sea. They do a lot of hot chocolates as well. You can get some good deals with those, but they're generally the small sizes that are left like a UK 3. But I know that a lot of trans people like these type of shoes, and I think they go up to probably a UK 11.
Mhm.
So people that have got bigger size feet that like to wear them can also wear them as well. So the sizings are quite generous. You can go up to an 11 as far as I know. Not sure if all the designs do, but... Alright then, thank you for watching.
Thanks,
I will show
everybody.
you some pictures when I get them on later.
I love them. I'm going to do a few shots of them just so that we can tag them onto the video. All right, Shazzy.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. What's that one?
That one's
Ordered too. And what are these dresses called?
a combination of pigeon overload and
Rotins and
That's
pigeon mirrors. I love printing them. They're all retro, aren't they?
yeah, this one,
Moana.
this one,
Did you watch Moana too?
yeah,
Is it good?
yeah.
She's got a cold actually.
This one is Kitschy Friends.
I like that because it's like an old card.
I've got shoes that match that somewhere.
I bet you
Hot
have.
chocolate designs.
Oh, I like hot chocolate as well as a regular choice in this house.
I've only got 3 pairs and another pair on the way that I bought yesterday to cheer myself up after my disaster at the seaside. Oh, we're back again, are we?
We're back again.
This is a pigeon overload, that one.
Sesame Street.
And then we've got another pigeon overload. This is...
Shark. This is one of my favourites.
I wore this one when I went to see that Jaws play at Nottingham.
Yeah, that was a fantastic play. Shark is broken.
And we've got my My Little Pony.
If you've not seen Sharky's Broken, you need to.
I like the ponies. I have the pony tights, I have pony bag, jewellery from Nurse Wilder,
My
and I
Little
have
Pony.
Irregular Choice pony collection. I have that as well. I love a good themed outfit.
So what you'll do normally is, well, not normally, but what you try and do is match everything, don't you?
It's a bit of a thing I've got. It's a bit OCD-ish, really.
Yeah, but it looks good when it's like you've got your shoes that match your dress, and then you've got acrylic. You have acrylic stuff made, don't you, for your necklaces?
Yeah, I love acrylic jewellery. I know it's only plastic, but some of it's quite collectible.
What's the place that you're going from? There's a girl in there.
There's a girl called Sharon. She's acrylic addict. She makes jewellery.
Where can you get them from?
She's got a website. She's
Acrylic
on
Addicts.
Facebook. She's done some custom pieces for me, including a rainbow from the TV programme necklace. And it was a one-off, but then she asked me if I would mind her making 5 of them, and I said that were fine.
So you got Zippy on.
What else do I like? Acrylics.
Sharon's made up with cold still, that's why she's huffing and puffing.
Crafty Anteater, that's another good one.
Crafty Anteater for acrylics.
That's good.
Yeah.
And the lady on Instagram, Oh My Marie UK, she doesn't make stuff, she imports all the acrylics from abroad. So America, like lipstick and chrome and stuff like that, she imports all the American acrylic jewellery. Lally Blue, that's Spanish, quite a few of their pieces. She also sells Earth Wilder as well. Lally Blue, they're Spanish, and Earth
We ought to go
Wilder,
to the shop and have a weekend.
Australia, Earth Wilder, but they have UK stuff.
Did you say Australia? Is Earth Wilder from Australia then? Oh, Alison and Nick might know them.
Alison collects Earth Wilder.
Alison. If you've not checked their channel out, we've got some friends in Australia. They've got their own channel. Alison Joy, look her up. Very interesting. It's different type of living over in Australia, isn't it? And they regularly get wildlife coming up to them, but the kangaroos on last video they did, I think. Very good.
Oh, I'm tired of this job now. I don't seem to be getting anywhere.
That's the issue.
Even though I'm trying and I know what my vision is,
Keep going,
it's
lass.
a big job.
You might want a drink now.
I think I need a cold drink.